Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input attributes. And right now we'll be discussing about the required attribute in the HTML input element. The input required attribute specifies that an input field must be filled out before submitting the form. The required attribute works with the following input types: text type, search type, URL, tel, email, password, date pickers, number, checkbox, radio, and file, and so on. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly so you can be able to understand. So let's us go and use our required attribute. So back to our documents. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial. We don't know how we got it. You can check our HTML input attributes playlist to be able to follow along. And also, as you can see right here, we are having our HTML form playlist, and also we are having our HTML input type playlist, where you can find different type of input types you can use in your HTML element. As you can see, we are having bunch of it. So quickly, let's do another testing again. Back to our code. What we need again now, let's give it a label. Let's give our nice break. After that break again, let's give another label. So this label is talking about what? Required attribute. So this required attribute is going to take something, right? Attribute. So right here, let's place this. Immediately place this. I'm just doing this just to make our document neat. This is a label for us, and also let's create our input. When we use our input, we need to put required there, but we will not use it yet. Now let's save our document and do as if we want to submit a form. Let's reload our document first. Can you see right here? This one automatically generated because it's from our previous tutorial, because we are still working on the input. So let me reset it. I've already reset it also. Let me bring my reset button to the top. Let's write a single reset button right here so you can be able to see. Let's place a reset button right here so that we can be able to reset our document quickly and easily. So let's reload our document quick. Yes, we are having it now. Let's break this again. Let's break it again times 2. So now let's work smart again. So right here, let's say for instance now we are trying to let's bring another input again. Let's bring another input of submit. Let's say because we are trying to submit something. Let's reload. Yes, so we are having result and we are having submit. So let's say for instance now we haven't write anything inside our input right here. This input right here, we haven't specified our required attribute. Just give it a label yet. So let's submit it. Can you see our form is going to somewhere, right? But let's now say the benefit of using the required attribute is that inside this our input right here, let's delete all this. We don't need it for now. Let's now write required. When we place required right here inside our input type of text here, so if we don't write anything inside this one particularly, it will never, our form will not submit at all. Let's click it. Let's reload and click it. Can you see? It's telling us that please fill out this field. That's the benefit of using the required. So no matter what you write, now when you submit, it will go. Can you see? But if you don't fill anything here, let's submit, it will never go. Let's say you use space, you submit, it will go. Can you see? Well, if you don't use anything here, it will never go. That's the benefit of using the required attribute. Let's say for instance now we remove our required attribute out of it. Now let's now come back here and reload our document. We have reloaded our document. Now let's submit. Can you see? The form is going without writing anything here, which is not good. It is bad. So now let's write anwar here again. It will still go, right? But let's now say now we put our required. So let's put our required. It will not go. When we specify this required, reload your document. Now let's write something. Let's not write anything. Let's reload our document and submit. It will not go. Our document will not live here. But when we write something here, it's going to pay. It's going. So that's the benefit of using the required attribute. Let's reset our document. So I want you guys to practice this. Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day and to the next tutorial. Bye bye. Thanks.